Good morning, YouTube. How's it going? It's Sunday morning. We're out here and we're getting ready to take a trip. Because I was talking to old Red the other day, and Red said they wanted a friend. So I decided to go find a friend for old Red. So that's what we're heading to today. We're going to go to Alabama. My buddy Bruce from Bruce's Mopar will be here, and we'll be taking the Jeep and driving down to Alabama and picking something up. So y'all stay tuned to the video. There may be some shorts today, I don't know. But we're going to try and document this whole trip and put in some videos. And don't forget, Monday night, live guest star. Alright, so anyway, get the Jeep. Everything's packed up, ready to go. I'm waiting for Bruce. He just said he was leaving his house, so it'll be about 30 minutes. Depends on if he brings a Hellcat. If he brings a Hellcat, he'll be here in about 10. But anyway, so we're going to get old Red, a friend, to stay in the driveway with him. So we'll be back.
Route recalculation. Route recalculation.
I know I hadn't been doing much of the trip, but we stopped just out of Walnut, Mississippi. And I have to tell you, you haven't lived until you drove 1,000,000 miles, or what it seems like, in a truck with no exhaust. This thing has straight headers on it. That's it. There's no exhaust, no nothing. But there it is. Let's see if we can get this in the frame. There it is. So, yeah. Not a bad looking truck. It's got an 01 360 in it. Granny 4-speed, 4-wheel drive. It's running good. And it's got plenty of pick-me-up. But I had to stop here just to take a break, because I'm about to go deaf. So, yeah, we'll get into the truck later, and if y'all see my short, see how loud this sumbitch is. But I mean, it's a clean truck. It's not bad. 1990 Dodge pickup, half-ton, 4-wheel drive. So there's the Jeep. Bruce driving the Jeep. So we'll be back. I'll do a little bit when we get home, but as of right now, the truck's feeling good. So we'll get back into this. See y'all later. Well, good morning, YouTube. This is the next morning after getting back from Alabama. It was a little too late to finish up the video last night. So we'll take a quick walk around of the new truck, and I hadn't named it yet, but we'll take a walk around the new truck and see See what all it looks like. Like I said, it's a 1990 D150, which means it's 4-wheel drive. Get on in here in the inside. And it needs a big helping of wiring. But yes, it is a 4-speed, and it is a 4-wheel drive. I mean, it's not bad. What you'd expect from what is this, a 30-year-old vehicle? Yep. So decent toolbox. Now then, this guy also gave me this 360 block, and came with a crank, pistons, oil pan for a truck. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this 360, but looks like it's a decent block. Let's see. It's got a lot of miles on it. It's got a pretty good ridge on it. So that's definitely a 30 over. Yeah, I'll bore that 30 over. So, but yeah, and I also got a lift kit for the truck, which I don't know if I'll use that or not. So it got all thrown around in here yesterday, but it's not bad. It wasn't a fun trip because, well, the truck doesn't have any exhaust on it. It doesn't. It's straight headers, no collectors on it, just straight headers. So I got to get collector reducer put on it, and then I can take it down to the exhaust shop and have them do exhaust on it. But what I'll probably end up doing is just getting the flanges, going and getting a MagnaFlow 2 in 1 out, and having it dump out on the passenger side, probably just a single exhaust. I mean, this thing doesn't have to be like super powerful. I really just want torque out of it, because this is what's going to tow Red to No Name. So you'll be able to see white truck. I haven't named it yet. If anybody wants some suggestions, or wants to give some suggestions of what to name the truck, we can see. We can talk about it. Let's put it that way. We can talk about it. But yeah, like I said, red wine to friends, so he's got one. So anyway, y'all take it easy, and we'll get some videos on this later, doing different things. I gotta get the front drive shaft shortened because he put a 203 or 205 transfer case in it, and it's a little longer, so I gotta get the front drive shaft done. And I was looking at it last night. I gotta hook vacuum lines up to the front actuator so I have 4-wheel drive. Excuse me, I'm burping. But anyway, y'all take it easy, and I'll see you tonight on the live. Later, guys.